There was a time na akala ko kaya ko lahat. Kaya kong magpuyat. Kaya kong kumimkim lahat ng pagod. Kaya kong unahin ang ibang tao kaysa sa sarili ko. Until one day, bigla na lang akong napagod. Boom! Hindi lang physically, pero mentally at emotionally. Yung tipong gigising ka pero wala ka ng gana. You smile in front of people, pero deep inside, pagod na pagod ka na. And siguro, iyon yung pinakamahirap sa burnout. Hindi siya laging nakikita ng ibang tao. People think you're okay because you keep showing up. Pero hindi nila alam, ilang gabi ka nang nag-overthink at asking God, kaya ko pa ba? Then, I realized, maybe life was never meant to be rushed. Hindi pala sukatan ng worth ko ang kung gaano ako ka-busy o ka-productive. Minsan, God allows us to slow down because He wants us to remember that we are human too. Na okay lang mapagod, okay lang huminto, okay lang magpahinga. Because even Jesus rested. Unti-unti kong natutunan na hindi ko kailangan dalhin lahat ng mag-isa. Hindi ko kailangan laging maging malakas. And sometimes, healing starts when you finally admit to yourself na pagod na ako. But burnout taught me something beautiful. It taught me to value peace over pressure. To choose rest without feeling guilty. To appreciate small wins. At higit sa lahat, mas napalapit ako kay Lord. Because when everything felt heavy, God stayed. Hindi man agad nawala yung pagod, pero binigyan niya ako ng strength para magpatuloy araw-araw. Maybe, you are tired too. Pagod ka ng lumaban, pagod ka ng umintindi, pagod ka ng maging okay para sa lahat. But, you don't have to carry everything alone. God sees your battles. Naririnig ng Panginoon ang mga panalangin mo, ang iyak mo sa gabi, at hindi kanya pababayaan. One step at a time, one prayer at a time, one day at a time, and someday, you'll look back and realize na yung season na akala mo sisira sa'yo, siya pala yung maglalapit sa'yo kay Lord at magtuturo sa'yo kung gaano ka talaga kalakas. And Matthew 11:28 says, Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest.